morning, you might say, hey, it's summer, whatever, but don't underestimate exactly how deadly this heat can be, especially when mixed with searing humidity. To make matters worse, thousands of folks in the D.C. area
This hair's mad.
how
Stop.
how much water they're using because it's just so darn hot. Let's go to Emily Schmidt.
She's burning in Washington, D.C. She does not want to stand under.
I hear it's code orange there now, so pretty serious.
Brooke, code orange, we're under a heat advisory here in Washington. It's a serious situation, but definitely it depends on where you are. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Get this heat gun, which tells you a little bit beyond what it feels like to what it's like on a surface. When we are in the shade here, not bad at all. Take a look at that, 78 degrees.
I was about to cry. He's like, no, I don't want to get my hair cold, Mommy.
We're at 103 degrees, a 20-degree difference between the shade and the sun.
Look how he put his face.
So Maui, why don't you like getting your hair cold?
In just a matter of about 15 feet or so.
It hurts, Mommy.
People who are having to do their jobs in a food truck. There were people today working on a 174-degree grill.
Look, he's trying to run.
Bring him up.
Jamal, get him. Get him.
Bring him out.
Get him.
Pick him up.
Get
No,
him.
pick him up.
Get him.
Now he's
Get
going to go. Pick
Get
him up
him.
and give him to him.
Get him. You thought you got free.
Has ice cream in the freezer.
And water ice.
Huh?
Because it's ice cream and water. Oh, that's cute. It's cute how his hair is like that. It's so smooth. You should make his hair do like that.
If you are not doing so today in Washington.
Hydrate, hydrate, hydrate. And speaking of food trucks, ice cream truck. Chip Witch might help you a little bit. Emily Schmidt getting you through.
Because it's hot.
In Washington. Coming out, more than 600 new charges against Ariel Castro. Ah, yes. Remember this guy? The man accused of kidnapping those 3 women, holding them as prisoners in his home. Apparently,
It's so pretty.
what happened in court today.
For 12 years, he... Wait, how long is a decade?
People join Angie's List for all kinds of reasons. I go to Angie's List to gauge whether
Jamal, how long is a decade?
done in a timely fashion and within budget.
A dozen's 12 years. What's 10 years?
Reviews on everything from
Centuries?
healthcare.
100 years? What is a decade? Because they couldn't have lived in... Oh, 10. Am I right?
Is this skin or hair? I'm confused.
Let me see. I got good sense of feel. That's hair. I need to cut his ear hair. That's
Put him in the tub.
He's gonna be like, I'm swimming, just keep swimming like Dory.
Don't call him again.
That's just
There
some
ain't no
hair.
need.
Why not?